What if you could own a brand new car without breaking the bank? Ever wondered if there are budget-friendly options that still offer style and practicality? Well, you're in for a treat. Join us on a journey as we unveil the top 10 cheapest cars in the world. These remarkable automobiles not only redefine affordability, but also bring you an enticing blend of features and performance. Are you ready to explore the world of budget-conscious driving without compromising on quality? Let's dive right in and discover the exceptional choices that make car ownership an achievable dream for many. Number 10. Brilliance H230. In our 10th spot, we have the Brilliance 230, tailor-made for those who keep a close eye on their finances. This sedan seamlessly blends contemporary styling with everyday practicality, presenting an enticing choice in the budget car segment. The Brilliance 230, gracing the automotive scene since 2012, catches the eye with its sleek and streamlined design, offering a spacious cabin that welcomes simplicity. Inside, you will find an informative instrument cluster, all without breaking the bank. Beneath the hood lies a zippy 1.5-liter gasoline engine, with the option of either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring you have control over your driving experience. Built on a front-wheel drive platform with input from BMWS experts, the Brilliance 230 delivers a comfortable and smooth ride. Safety features include ABS with ebbed and front airbags, while standard offerings encompass electric mirrors, power windows, central locking, adjustable steering, air conditioning, and a basic audio system. With the Brilliance 230, you get a lot more than your money's worth in the world of budget-friendly cars. Number 9. Ford Senior 7. Taking the 9th spot is the Ford Senior 7, an adaptable crossover sub with an intriguing development history. What sets it apart is the choice between a 1.6-liter and a 1.5-liter turbo engine, offering a balanced blend of power and efficiency. It provides an affordable yet reliable option for those in search of a capable SUV. Whether you're maneuvering through the city or embarking on road trips, the Ford Senior 7 offers versatility that caters to various driving preferences. The 1.6-liter engine delivers ample power for daily commutes and highway drives, while the 1.5-liter turbo engine strikes a satisfying balance between performance and fuel efficiency, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of drivers. Number 8. Geely Panda. Coming in at number 8 is the Geely Panda, also known as the Geely Ulysses. This city car has not only earned high marks in safety tests, but also stands out for its affordability. It's a top pick for those who are budget-conscious, but still want a car that excels in safety and style. With an exterior design that pays homage to a Panda, this car's uniqueness is sure to catch your eye. Proves that you don't have to compromise on safety and aesthetics when seeking an affordable vehicle. Bate D20. At the 7th position, we introduce the Bate 20, a wallet-friendly hatchback. This stylish car, a facelifted version of the A1, is powered by a robust 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, offering a well-rounded and reliable performance. What sets the Bate 20 apart are the added features that cater to those with an eye on their budget. It's equipped with a sunroof and leather seats, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both comfort and style in an affordable package. With its modest price tag, the Bate 20 offers an enticing deal for budget-conscious buyers in search of a trustworthy and well-equipped vehicle that won't dent their finances. Number 6. Lifan 320. In the 6th spot, we introduce the Lifan 320. This compact car may not be a household name, but it's making waves in the world of budget-conscious driving. Making its debut at the prestigious 2008 Beijing Auto Show, the Lifan 320 has steadily gained recognition for its exceptional affordability. Under the hood, you will find a sprightly 1.3-liter engine, which not only delivers reliable performance, but also keeps your fuel costs at bay. With its accessible price point and versatile appeal, the Lifan 320 caters to a broad spectrum of buyers, making it a truly cost-effective option in the realm of budget-friendly cars. Number 5. Chery QQ4. Securing the fifth position is the Chery Q4. The Chery Q4 garnered attention for its striking resemblance to the Daewoo Chevrolet Matiz, which stirred up some trademark concerns. However, this budget-friendly hatchback has its own merits. What sets the Chery Q4 apart is its versatility in engine choices. It offers two options, a 0.8-liter 3-cylinder and a 1.1-liter i4. These engines not only provide a variety of driving experiences, but also excel in fuel efficiency, making the Q4 a sensible and cost-effective choice for budget-conscious buyers. With its accessible price point and diverse engine options, the Chery Q4 caters to a broad range of consumers, embodying practicality and affordability in the world of budget cars. Number 4. Datsun Redi-Go. In the fourth spot, we have the Datsun Redi-Go, an attractive budget-friendly option known for its distinctive hexagonal front grille and a roomy and comfortable interior. The Redi-Go skillfully blends style and practicality. This car offers a choice of two engines and shines in terms of ride and handling, ensuring a pleasant and enjoyable driving experience. With its affordable price tag, the Datsun Redi-Go caters to budget-conscious buyers who value both comfort and performance, making it a smart choice in the world of budget-friendly cars. Number 3. Renault Kwid. The third spot belongs to the Renault Kwid. Offers exceptional value for budget-conscious buyers. Although it's slightly higher in cost compared to some others on our list, it justifies the expense with a range of features and benefits. Under the hood, the Kwid boasts a 1-liter petrol engine, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, it comes equipped with an array of features, including touchscreen infotainment and essential safety features. Number 2. Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. Securing the second spot on our list is the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, a name that resonates strongly in the world of budget cars. It has earned its reputation as one of the most influential cars in India, captivating the hearts of many with its reliable performance and remarkable fuel efficiency. The Alto 800 maintains its stronghold as a preferred choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a vehicle that's both dependable and economical. Number 1. Tata Nano. Claiming the first place as the most budget-friendly car globally is the iconic Tata Nano. Available at a remarkably low price, this revolutionary car left an indelible mark on the automotive industry by pioneering the concept of affordable and accessible transportation for the masses. Although it has been discontinued, the Tata Nano remains a symbol of innovation in budget-friendly mobility. The Tata Nano's legacy is rooted in its mission to provide a means of transportation to individuals who previously lacked such opportunities. It challenged conventional norms and redefined the expectations of what a low-cost car could offer. The Tata Nano's enduring impact endures as a testament to the vision of creating affordable and practical mobility solutions. It will forever hold a special place in the history of budget automobiles. As we wrap up our exploration of the top 10 cheapest cars in the world, we want to remind you that your feedback and questions matter to us. If you have inquiries about cars, automotive accessories, or any specific topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Your input drives our content, and we look forward to delivering more of what you. So remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Your support is what fuels our journey in the world of automobiles.